Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 41, lecture number 12, to question number 4. First example done for you to find out the area of triangle. Okay. Then part A do for you. The part A 4 meter length and breadth is 5 meter. Okay. Area of triangle is equal to 2 divided by L multiplied by B, in L length multiplied by breadth, 4 multiplied by 5, we can got the answer 20, then 20 divided by 2, we can got the answer is 10 centimeter. Question number 7 on page number 42. Measure the length and the breadth of each of these parallelogram and then work out of the area. First example done for you, then we do same question like as no. The formula of parallelogram is the length multiplied by breadth. Part A, first we find the breadth and length with the help of the ruler length of this diagram. Now with the help of the ruler, breadth is 2 centimeter and length is 2 centimeter. Length is equal to 2 centimeter, breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. The area of parallelogram is length multiplied by breadth is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. We can got the answer 4 centimeter. Question number 8. Measuring carefully, work out the area of each parallelogram and the area of each color triangles. Area of parallelogram is 2 multiplied by 2. We can got the answer 4 centimeters. Area of triangles 4 divided by 2, we can got the answer 2 centimeter. First example done for you. First we find out the area of parallelogram and after then we find out the area of triangle. Okay. Part A done for you. Length is 3 centimeter and then breadth is 1.5. Page number 42. Area of parallelogram is 3 multiplied by 1.5. Then we can got the answer 4.5. Area of triangle divided by the area of parallelogram, 4.5 divided by 1.5. We can got the answer 3 centimeter square.